In this lesson, we'll start by defining what an AI model is. An AI model is a computer program trained to perform specific tasks by recognizing patterns in data. Next, we'll discuss large language models, LLMs, and how they work through next word prediction. Large language models, LLMs, are a type of AI model designed to understand and generate human-like text. They are trained on vast datasets of text to capture language patterns, grammar, and context. LLMs operate primarily through next word prediction. The model predicts the most likely word to come next based on the given input, using patterns learned during training. However, there is no clear consensus on exactly how they generate responses, as the reasoning remains complex. LLMs are trained on a variety of databases, which provide the language patterns they learn from. Some well-known free databases include Wikipedia and Common Crawl, while paid databases like LexisNexis and academic journals offer more specialized content. AI models, especially large language models, are powerful tools for generating text and simulating human-like communication. Understanding their training sources helps grasp their capabilities and limitations, and ongoing research is crucial to unlock their full potential. Continue exploring the evolving field of AI to better understand its potential and limitations.